We know good food fuels our bodies, but did you know it also impacts our scalp health? Just like other organs, our scalp thrives on the nutrients we consume. A balanced diet is key for healthy skin, and that includes the skin on our head. Two common scalp issues are dandruff and hair loss. Dandruff, with its telltale flakes, is a sign of a dry, irritated scalp. Hair loss, on the other hand, can be triggered by various factors, including nutrient deficiencies. These conditions can be embarrassing and impact self-esteem. However, understanding their link to diet can empower us to take control. Several deficiencies can contribute to scalp problems. Vitamin D, often obtained from sunlight, plays a role in skin cell growth. A deficiency may exacerbate dandruff. Iron, crucial for carrying oxygen in our blood, is also essential for hair growth. Low iron levels can lead to hair loss. Zinc is another mineral involved in hair follicle health. A deficiency can make the scalp more vulnerable to damage. Section 4. Nourishing your scalp. Addressing these deficiencies through diet is a great first step. For vitamin D, incorporate foods like fatty fish and fortified cereals. Iron-rich foods include lentils, spinach, and red meat. To boost zinc intake, include nuts, seeds, and beans in your diet. In some cases, supplements might be necessary. Consult a healthcare professional to determine the right approach for you. Taking care of our scalp health is not just about expensive shampoos and treatments. It starts from within. By addressing potential deficiencies and nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients, we can promote a healthy scalp and luscious hair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.